Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. So today we'll be looking at something different, call it SEO. So let me open this page here. It's a Word document. So we'll be looking at SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. And as you can read from here, it says that it's the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility in search engine results page, which are called SERPs. And it involves various techniques, including keyword research, which will be actually our next lesson will be about keyword research. And then we have on-page optimization, such as meta tags, headings, and content structure. Technical SEO, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and indexing. We'll be looking at all of these things, so don't get worried. So basically, SEO is the process of making your website to be likely shown on the search results. So it's optimized. Search engines can understand your content, the content of the pages of your website, and they can showcase your website on the search page when people are searching for various term and key phrases. So under SEO, we have what we call internal linking and external linking, which I'll be interested. I would love us to look into the two of them for today. So today we'll be looking at internal linking and external linking. So internal linking refers to the practice of linking one page of our website to another page within the same website. And actually the reason is to help people to be able to navigate from one page to another page within the site. Okay. And it also gives SEO juice flow to different pages. And then we have external linking. This is where you link to other resources. Maybe you're writing an article about something scientifically, and maybe you got your research from Wikipedia and you wanted to show that this research is linked to Wikipedia. You can just give them a backlink. That's what we call external linking. The best way to learn is through examples. So we have these articles. So last time we created one article, which is how movies affect your dream life. You can create different articles on different niches, but for the sake of this lesson, so allow me to use this. So how to interpret biblical dreams, a biblical perspective on divine messages. So my keyword here, this one is the entire title, but I have a keyword. The keyword is the phrase I want to rank for. I want to rank on interpret biblical dreams, okay? And I also want to rank on how to interpret biblical dreams. The same keyword, but it's rich, can rank for different things. So that is the keyword. I want you to note that keyword. So we have, the whole thing is a title, but this one here is the keyword I wanted to rank for when I wrote that article. So to do SEO, we need a plugin called Rank Math. So under plugin, go to add new. We have various SEO plugins, but Rank Math gives you the advantage. And go to Rank Math. We have a free and a paid version, but the free version is enough. So click install, and then I'll activate it. If I connect a free account, to do so, you just create an account basically, or you can skip for now. The advantage of actually connecting an account is that Rank Math will submit a sitemap on your behalf on Google. Use your Google account for this process. So make sure to log in with one of your accounts. Enter your password. So I've signed in. I'll be redirected to this page to continue to finish my sign up. So as you can see, I'm running Rank Math free plan on this website. It's okay, and activate it. Start wizard. You can either choose the easy mode or advanced mode. Let's just go for the advanced mode. Start wizard. Okay, what is this? A community blog? Okay, this one is a personal blog. Can also be a small business site. Can be a web shop or other personal website. I'll just leave it as a personal blog. Website alternative name, no alternative name. The website name is Josh WP. Okay, organization name, that one. Logo, I've not yet created a logo, so I'll come back and do that. Then I'll save. So yeah, you need to connect to Google Console. For now, I'll skip the step. I'll leave everything as it is. I'll save and continue. and then save and continue. So I'll go return to dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Rank Math. Enable for monitor. This one enables us to detect errors with our links. Image SEO, can enable image SEO. And then you can also enable redirection. That is enough for now. So what we need to do now, we need to go back to our articles. I want to open one of the articles. So now I will refresh this article because we have added a new item in the website, which is Rank Math. Let me refresh the page. If you're keen, you will observe we have a new item here. So this is Rank Math. Actually gives us a rough score out of 100 how well optimized our content is for SEO. Click on this button and then we want to copy our main phrase, which is how to interpret biblical dreams. So that is the keyword I want to rank for. See, already it has gone to 66. And then maybe so going to go to interpret biblical dreams. Here's another. So this one is a variation of the same keyword. Don't overstuff your article with the same keyword. Don't try to repeat it so many times. Make it, or just allow it to flow in a natural way. For example, this is the key phrase, interpret biblical dream. I want to see another. You see, a biblical foundation of dream interpretation is a close variation of that. Interpreting biblical dreams. This one is a close variation of the same. So I'm not using the exact phrase, even though you can use the exact phrase if you want to, but don't do it. Don't overdo it. And then we have dream interpretation. You can actually even use dream interpretation. Here's another one. So the good thing with Rank Math, it allows you to add up to 5 focus keywords. The first one is the main focus keyword. Okay, I can also change this one. Let me delete the second one. I can change this one to be that. So these are different keyword phrases we have on our website. So what we're saying that for SEO purposes, there is a keyword that you want to rank for. You want your website to be known for something. So this one, you want this website, not the entire website, this page, this blog post, you want it to rank for this very specific keyword which is how to interpret biblical dreams. But within this, we have different variation of it, like interpreting biblical dreams is another keyword within the keyword, interpreting biblical dreams. Another variation of this is interpreting biblical dreams. You have also dream interpretation methods. And then within the content itself, we have different variation. For example, you have interpreting biblical dreams. It's included in a natural way without you having to force it. Okay? So currently we have a score of 68. So if you scroll down, want to go to recommendation. So I told that the focus key is not found in the meta description. I'll show you what that is. And then focus key not found in the URL. Okay, I'll show you how to fix that. And then we have additional focus key not found in the subheadings. We couldn't find any internal linking. I want to see how many subtopics we have here. We have 1, 2, H2s, 3, 4, 5. So those are 5 H2s. I may come here and say 5 biblical perspectives. It has gone to 69. And then scroll down and see all the title readability scores are good. Even a 69 is just good. Don't try to make everything look green here. It's a waste of time, trust me. It's not necessary. Don't force keywords. Don't stuff keywords in your article to destroy your article and make it rank terribly. Actually, it will not rank. So now what I want to do, I wanted to show you how to add internal links and external links. So we said internal links, they help you to navigate from one page to another. So it's just a link from one post within your website to another one. So this is an article about dream interpretation. I'll go and look for another article I wrote about dream interpretation that relates with that. So maybe I'll come here and say how movies affect your dream, and also we have here about dream paralysis. Maybe let me choose this one. To copy the link here, I will just left click on view and copy that link. View to copy the link, and I'll come and add this link to a place which I think it's more relevant. We call it anchor text. You can add something here. So I will add here movie dreams. This is relevant. And then you see this one? You add a link here, click on that. So I'll paste my link here. You see now it has jumped to 73. It's an improvement. So now we have an internal link. So if you go here, see you are linking to other resources now. It is no longer red. So how do we add external links? We do the same. So I'll show you a section which I added external links. So in this section, you can see I added an external link here. This is if I click on this, you can see this one is a link to a website called glorywebs.org. So this is an external link. So this is the page which talks about this Daisy Dreamwork method. So that's how we do external links. And you can also add another internal link. Maybe you wanted to add an internal link about paralysis. Click on that, copy the link, come here. So we can add this one here. I'll just write a new paragraph and say check out the article on dream paralysis. And so you can see it's relevant, so I can add an internal link here. This is a new opportunity also to add a new internal link. So everything looks good here. We need to add the focus key on one of the subtopics. So I've added it there and added a colon, and then you have examples. Instead of dream example, we just have examples and the interpretation, interpreting biblical dreams, examples, and the interpretation. This is an H2. And then we go back and look at that. You can see focus keyword in the subheading. So that's done. Here we're told to, the focus keyword is not on the description. So here is where we have the meta description. So we'll click on edit snippet, but before that, let me find a relevant section to copy meta description from. I'll copy this one, which says interpreting biblical dreams involves prayerful reflection and careful study of scripture. Here are several steps to guide you. Okay, I'll copy that here. But remember our keyword was, the main keyword was interpret biblical dreams. So I will rewrite this one to read different. So I'll say to interpret biblical dreams, prayerful reflection and careful study of scriptures are required. So I've rephrased that. So now we have interpret biblical dreams within that, okay? And then here is how we do it. So basically this description is what you see, the meta description is what you see when you are actually searching on web. You see on a desktop, you'll see this is what appears beneath the website URL. It is what appears, you see. So when somebody is searching, he will read to interpret biblical dreams, prayerful reflection, and a careful study of scripture are required. Here are several steps to guide you. Okay. You want to make sure that it is catchy. It is a catchy statement. And this is how it will look on a mobile device. And then you have also requirement, make sure it's the characters don't go beyond 160. Currently I have 134 characters. Make sure it doesn't go beyond 160 so that it can be visible. If it goes beyond that, to be cut off. Make sure also you include the keyword in the alt text of the image. So I'll click on settings here, and you can see I already have it here. Interpreting biblical dreams, how to interpret biblical dreams. Also allow me to add actually the entire key phrase here. Let me add it there. I want to rank for that too. Now we have done internal linking, external linking, and then what we were doing actually is called on-page SEO. So basically it's SEO practices within the pages. So we are trying to optimize our own content. It's on-page SEO. Now if I click on save changes, let's see if you have room for improvement. Okay, the URL character is too long, consider. Actually we didn't need, you see this 5 perspective of divine message. We can work on that. Make sure you see here, they recommend 75 characters, we have 95. So I can shorten the URL to how to interpret biblical dreams. And then that's it. And you see now we have 83 on the green mark. That's really beautiful. And then afterward, make sure to save changes to update the content of the page. Actually, this one is a verse. It's not a paragraph. So I'll change it to a verse. Then I want to change the background of the verse just to normal. So that's it for this lesson. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson, where we'll be looking at keyword research. And then after keyword research, we'll be doing AI automations, where you will have AI write articles for you. You don't have to write all the articles. You can write some of the articles, most technical articles, you can do it yourself. And articles which general information AI can handle. So AI, you can leave that to AI. So see you next time.